Hello guys, today I am going to showing you how to SMS bombing attack in Termux. First, you can download Termux app from Google Play Store. I am already download Termux app and now open Termux. Type here apt update and enter. Now type package install Python 2. I am already installed Python 2 from Termux, and now type package install git. Git also downloaded in my Termux, and type git clone and paste the link that you copied in the video description. Now type termux -setup-storage. Now type cd TBomb and enter. Next type ls. Now type ./TBomb.sh. You can see here, press enter to continue. TBomb tool is ready, and now press 1 to SMS bomber. And now type your country code without plus. My country is India, so I will type 91 and target number your without 91. I can type and enter. Enter number of messages. Do you want 0 for unlimited? I can type 233. Enter delay time in second, 2 seconds recommended. I will type 2 and enter. Successful request. You can see here SMS is sending from Termux.